You're probably asking yourself, why should I collect free crypto? It's peanuts. What change can it make for me? So we made this video in order to convince you otherwise. We will use only reasonable explanations. Let's get straight to the point. Did you know that we launched our BNB Faucet back in July 2020? The value of one BNB back then was $16. As of early 2025, the value of one BNB is worth over $700. That means if you collected just 1 cent worth of BNB back then, it is no longer worth only 1 cent. It is now worth about 44 cents. That is from collecting only 1 cent for free. Imagine if you had $1 collected for free from our BNB Faucet. Then you would no longer hold 44 cents. Instead, you would have $44. Do the math. See it for yourself. Check these facts for yourself. These are facts, not assumptions. Now, besides the BNB, which was used just as one example, you need to remember we run 20 different faucet websites. Potentially $44 times 20 websites is $880. Yes, we do take the risk when you collect crypto with us. If the crypto goes up in price, you get more. There are no strings attached. So now you would come to us and ask the following. How do I know that I will get paid? How do I know this is not a scam? The answer is simple. We've been running our faucet sites since 2017. We've never cheated our users, never. Some of you complained about raising the withdrawal thresholds. We referred to this back in 2022. However, at the time of posting this video, we are looking for ways to improve it. Likewise, our thresholds have remained the same since 2022. We haven't raised them since. We are not looking to do that. We are only looking for possible ways to reduce them. This is what we're working on right now. So hopefully that answers your second question. Another very frequent asked question was this. Why should I collect free crypto with you? How can I trust you? How can I trust your operation? So, as we mentioned, we are among the old operations out there. We've never closed our faucets. Yes, we did implement changes in 2022. We had to. But our competitors chose to shut down. Our competitors chose to close their faucets completely. We haven't. We are still operating for over 7 years now. How did we do that? By doing what we do. We're trying to be as transparent as we can be with our users. Making changes is part of the game, but over the years we tried to keep them to the minimum. As of now, we're working on adding more new features to our crypto faucets. You haven't seen them yet, but they are coming soon. We hope this gives you a better understanding of our operation. We're here to stay and keep on going strong in 2025. Now, before we conclude this video, we'd like to ask you, the viewers, if you have any questions for us. Feel free to ask us anything you want, and we would be happy to answer in the comments section. We do respond to everyone, or to as many as possibly can, all the time, on our social media channels. Try it yourself, ask any question, and get a human response. Other than that, thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.